Now this part usually isn't fun at all. Trying to get this thing back in. Okay, not that way. Alright, those were loose. The next step is to put these intakes in. I did clean them. They're as clean as they're going to get. But where they sit, I need to clean. So there's not much on here, so I'm just going to use the brush. Yeah, that'll work. Those are O-ring seals. Here's my bag of tricks. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Look at that. Genuine Honda. There we go. Oops. Brand new over. Now a little of that stuff. I can do just a little so it's not so dry. Doesn't need much. Yeah, there we go. Put that one on there. Next step is, okay, you see this little notch? That notch goes into there. So, there we go. There's one. A little petroleum jelly on there, so that pops into place. Both of those are in place nicely. Just to keep it a little moist. Same with here. Remember, the notch goes into that. Pop. There we go. Now let me bring you over to the other side. Okay, remember this one was already. I just need to pop that on there. Come on, there we go. Snap. I don't know if you heard it or not. Alright. And a little more for inside here. Okay, line it up. Snap it in place. This one doesn't have a hose on it yet because this is the one that actually opens the petcock. The reason for this is the engine's not running. There's no need for fuel to be moving. Fuel will be able to come out of the tank. So there's a little diaphragm inside there that closes off the fuel. And then we'll have, there we go. Look at that. It's like butter. What that does is when the engine starts cranking over and actually running, even cranking over, it creates a vacuum in that line, opens up that valve, and allows fuel to flow. So, time to get the bolts and bolt this down. So, since that is apparently ready, now on this side, there is a pipe back in there that's part of the emissions, and it needs to be, there's this little bracket that helps hold it down in place. So let me put that in there. Alright, next is to take one of the bolts. There we go. Let me just snuggle that down just enough. Yeah, there we go. That one lined up. And this one lined up. Time for the other ones. These are a little more. See, the best thing to do is get rid of the plug wire. Put that in place there. And I'd like to now, there's nothing wrong with that, it's just I'm rubbing up against here. Alright, I don't want to tighten it yet. And just put that back into place. Get this one out of the way. Yeah, just let me experiment here. Sometimes it fits, sometimes not. Yeah, that works better for right now. Oh, this last one was the one I can't do that. That one back. See, now this one, I need that little U-joint because choke cable bracket. See? Now since I've got them all in place, all right. So there we go. Alright, I gotta tighten these up when I get a chance, but not yet. I've got to install. Now I've got to install the other side, bolts on the other side. Well, here's got a little bracket. There. We're all connected back up. That bracket's in. That one. All those are tightened up. Brand new O-rings. I know these are already tight. I tightened them up before. I gotta polish that. Everything is good on the other side. Let me make sure throttle linkage, throttle choke. Yep. Choke is working good.